Hello guys, in this video let us check out the ProtoArc hub mouse. So you can see this is the ProtoArc brand, and here you can see the model is hub mouse, swappable modular hub 2-in-1 hub mouse, and it says mouse plus the convenience of a hub. So some features are given such as integrated hub mouse, 2.4 GHz wireless plus Bluetooth universal compatibility, and here are some of the features given, which are weight is 50 grams, 300 milliamp rechargeable battery, and the 3-channel connection, the DPI of the mouse, charging, the lifespan of clicks, and the color. Unboxing the box, this is what we get. We get a charging cable. So this is a USB Type-C charging cable. That's quite nice. Here we have an accessory. This is the mouse, and here we have the user manual for the hub mouse. The user manual, in the user manual it's written how the product functions, and you can see here it states all the buttons and the numbers to it where you can find them. So here it shows where is the USB hub, so you can see it's quite nice. You have a USB hub inside of the mouse and 2.4 GHz connection. Let us check out the look at the mouse itself. You can see mouse looks quite good. It's very slim and looks very nice. So here on the back you have the on off button. Just turn this on, it turns on, and here you have the button to switch different devices. So you can connect up to 3 devices here. That's really nice. Here if you see, we have a button here, and we have a nice trackball which is very tactile and feels good. So now let us remove this USB hub and see how does it look like. So this is the USB hub that you got from the mouse. So this is pretty cool. This is a USB Type-C hub. To the back we have the essential ports such as one USB Type-C, one USB and one HDMI port. This is a very handy mouse and it's really cool. So guys, this was a really quick video of the ProtoArc hub mouse. So if you're interested in purchasing the same, I will leave a link in the description from where you can go and buy it. So this is how the mouse goes inside and comes out like this. So you can just press this button and this will go out inside very nicely. The mouse also doesn't feel very heavy. This is a really good and ergonomic mouse. So I've used this mouse for some time and this feels really good. The response is really nice. So I'm going to use this mouse as a primary mouse from now on. And I really like this mouse. So it's a great product from ProtoArc, and you should definitely buy this product, as this saves a lot of time and you don't have to carry an additional hub for your laptop. Thank you so much for watching the video guys. We will catch you guys in the next video.